My name is Chelsea and I'm second grade. Today I'm gonna do experiment on seed fruit dispersal by wind. In this experiment, you will make models of seeds and fruit to investigate dispersal by wind and to evaluate the relationship between the structure of the seed and its ability to be dispersed by the wind. Objective. The goal of this experiment is to investigate how the size and the shape of fruit or seed influence their ability to be dispersed by wind. Seeds are dispersed in several different ways, such as 1 by 1, 2 by water, 3 attached from an animal furry coat, 4 by air. In this experiment, we measured two important qualities to disperse in the wind, such as distance travel and time, materials and equipment. To do this experiment, we need few materials and equipment. First, we need few seeds. So today we got 4 different seeds, such as apple seed, cumin seed, sunflower seed, watermelon seed, and 2 window fan and large box fan, 3 tape measure, 4 timer, 5 camera, 6 marker, 7 helper. The table for all of the seeds and this diagram for this experiment. Hello everybody, now I am going to do practicals. So we got fan here, a fan. Produce wind will disperse the seed, and here we got tape measure that measure the distance, how far wind will disperse the seeds, and here is the table for all of the seeds. First, we're gonna do apple seed. So then, right? Apple seed is 60 centimeters. Second, I'm going to do sunflower seed. Here. Sunflower seed is 29 centimeters. From this experiment, we will understand that size and shape will affect the distance dispersed by wind. Big seeds like sunflower seed disperse short distance, and small seed like apple seed disperse long distance. Thank you.